Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka 7. He who is devoted to the path of action, whose mind is quite pure, who has conquered the self, who has subdued the senses, who realizes his self as the self in all beings, though acting is not tainted.
Chapter 5, Shloka 7. Yoga yukto vishuddhatma vijitatma jitendriyaha sarva bhudatma bhudatma kurvannapi na lipyate.
Chapter 5, Shloka 7. In the previous shloka, Lord Krishna stated that by inner purification through karma yoga, along with meditation, one realizes the self in himself as the self of all beings. He then continues to engage in activity but is not tainted. Now he gives the logic of the inner revolution which has taken place and why he is not tainted. Only actions done by the limited ego to complete itself through desires leave tendencies for the ego. After God realization, there is no ego left in the God-man's heart to do selfish action, and so no tendencies are formed, and hence, though acting, he is not tainted. Lord Krishna also explains the process by which the dissolution of the ego is achieved. He walks the path of action to purify his inner mind-intellect equipment and achieve control over the senses. After this initial victory, he meditates deeply to conquer the ego and discover the self, which is the self of all. The various stages can be listed as follows for clearer understanding. 1. Karma Yoga accomplishes purification of the intellect. 2. Any purification in the subtle body means a better state of quietude within. 3. Lesser the agitations in us by our desires or emotions, the purer we are considered by Vedanta. 4. Through action, when it is selfless and without any anxiety for the fruits, the practitioner exhausts its existing vasanas. 5. When the inner equipment is swept clean of its desire waves, it must necessarily become more and more quiet and peaceful. 6. When once the intellect is purified, meaning rendered immune to desire disturbances, the mind which reflects the condition of the intellect cannot have any disturbances. 7. the sentimental and emotional life of one who has controlled the floodgates of desires automatically becomes tame and equanimous. 8. When through karma yoga a man has gained inward peace, both at his mental and intellectual level, it becomes child's play for him to deny and to restrain, to control and to guide his sense organs and their never-ending appetites. 9. A seeker who has thus controlled his body, mind and intellect is best fitted for the highest meditation. More in the next shloka in the next video. Online. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.